If the cause of IP address conflicts is manual assignment of identical static IP addresses to two devices, you could implement the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol to resolve this issue. DHCP servers dynamically allocate IP addresses to network devices from a range of defined IP addresses. This means that every time a device is connected to a network, DHCP servers assign a new IP address to the device. This ensures that tracking IP address allocation is not really our headache. A DHCP server takes care of this job for us. Now, not all DHCP servers allocate a new IP address every time the device is connected to the network. Sometimes the devices lease these addresses for a period of time. The only problem with DHCP is when we have assigned a static IP address to even one of the network devices. This might result in a conflict because a DHCP server might allocate the same IP address to some other device. This problem can be avoided by keeping a separate list of IP addresses for assigning static IP addresses and restricting the range of IP addresses that a DHCP server can use. Unfortunately, all of these actions do not necessarily eliminate IP address conflicts. Let's say we have two DHCP servers that we have configured similarly. These DHCP servers assign overlapping IP addresses to devices on a network, so they might end up assigning the same IP address to two network devices. This is a common problem when we have multiple wireless access points. The problem can also originate when DHCP servers are embedded in network devices that are turned on by default. To avoid such problems, it would be better to turn on only one DHCP server in the network and keep the other DHCP servers in the turned off state. Or you could coordinate your DHCP servers so that each one manages a separate scope or range of IP addresses, which is the more common solution. Also, ensure that IP address conflicts are not occurring because of malfunctions in the internal DHCP server. Malfunctioning causes the DHCP server to lose track of the addresses that it is assigning to network devices and therefore potentially reallocate them.